Hello, welcome back to PetrolBlog's Rubbish YouTube channel. This is a bonus video because there wasn't meant to be a video this weekend, but thanks to the unique way in which my son organises his work and social life, we are up at 6:15 this morning. And so it's now, I don't know what time it is because the clocks went forward last night. So yeah, I don't know what time it is and I'm waffling already, but this is well, as you can see, actually, we're in the AXGT. And progress has been made. Things have got broken, like the gear knob, which I'll explain when we come to the AXGT video. But look, seats are out, carpet has been removed and vacuumed, and progress is being made. This is going to be a very short video, and I can promise that this time, because it is, as you've seen from the title, which I can never work out if it's below or above, 5 things you are guaranteed to find in a used car or when you're restoring a car, because it's kind of like used car bingo. You can tick these off. Some of these things you'll tick off, some of them you won't, but these are the 5 most common things that I've found in cars. So item number 1, most common, almost guaranteed in any used car: loose change, money. And this is the haul from the AXGT yesterday. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 61 pence. We're already making money on this restoration job. There was also a pound coin, but it was the old pound coin. So that was bad news. Money are guaranteed. Item number 2, a car park ticket of some description. A pay and display car park ticket. To be fair, these are going to get rarer now because you can now pay on phones. But an old car, this is from the Camry. So from 2004, I know that the Camry went to the Smedmore estate and paid £3 for a motor car. There is one in the AX, but it's in the glove box and it's turned into a congealed mess. But it's from Trago Mills, which for people who don't know is somewhere you don't want to go. Item number 3, a lollipop stick. Again, authentic. This was found in the AXGT yesterday. In truth, you're more likely to find one of these little lollipop sticks. I've just stolen this from my youngest son. Sorry, son. You'll tend to find one of these, more than one of these, and they'll always have a sort of sticky end where the lollipop was, and that will be covered in hair, dust, and all manner of disgusting things you don't want to be touching. So yes, item number 3, a lollipop stick. Item number 4, again, it's authentic, found in the AX yesterday, a paper clip, or it could be a hair clip. But you're guaranteed to find a clip of some description in any used car that you buy. Finally, item number 5, a bold sweet wrapper or a sweet. Now, if it's a bold sweet wrapper, you can tell a lot about the car. This was, again, genuinely from the Camry, a word as original, which I think is the most appropriate wrapper, sweet wrapper for the Camry, and a sweet. And it will have, again, like it's been rolled around in dust for 10, 20, 30, 40 years, depending on how old the car is. And of course, there is a bonus one in this day and age. Certainly over the last few years, you will find a used or unused face mask. These are going to sort of date cars at some point. Like, you know, when you're doing up a house and you find an old copy of the Daily Mirror or the Sun or the Daily Mail under the carpet. These are going to date the cars from the sort of this era. So yeah, a face mask. So that's it. It's like Time Team, isn't it? The 5 things you can find when you're digging for treasure in a used car, or in this case, restoring a car. Do you agree? Am I wrong? Have I missed something? Let me know in the comments. They're definitely below, aren't they? The comments are definitely below. One thing you won't find, or you might find in a used car, is a Club PetrolBlog window sticker, because by popular demand, and I use the word popular, poplar, that's a tree. I use the word popular very loosely, but by popular demand, Club PetrolBlog stickers are back in the house. But yes, look, 2023, I know there's not long left until the end of July, but these will be on the website soon, but also 2024. So many thanks to all the people all 12 of you who requested the return of PetrolBlog. It's happening. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.